All right, let's do ToSum, LeetCode number 1 in C sharp. I've done JavaScript, but never in C sharp. So here it is. If you can see this, uh, we just have an array of numbers. What we're trying, and we have a target. So we're trying to find the two numbers that'll add up to the target, and it can't be the same index. So that's really all it is. You can go ahead and read this. I don't really want to go through all this. Let's just get into the solution. So what we do here, we need a map, hash map, dictionary. In C sharp, we're going to call it dictionary because that's where we're going to store everything as we go through this. So what do we got here? We need, let's see, var, we'll call it map equals new dictionary. And we'll integer, comma, integer. That's key value. All right, what else do we need? We're going to need a result because this is expecting an array of ints. So let's do that. Var result. Oh, can't type equals, what is it? New int. We only need two of them. And then we need a loop. Now, when we see a for loop, we automatically know it's going to be an ON solution. That's what this is. Even though we got this map in here that's you know, O1 fetch and all that. Yeah, we're running through potentially every single index in the array. So it's ON. So here we go. For what do we got? Var. Let's just do int I 0. If I is less than nums. Length, that's a property, not a function or method. I plus plus. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get the difference because we're processing. Right now, let's say we're at the first index. We need to know what our complement number is. In other words, we need the other number that will add up to the target. So we're going to call that diff. So, you know, the difference between the target minus what we have right now, which is nums I. Whoops, there. So we got the diff. Now what do? We need to see if this diff, if we already have it in our map. And if we do, then we're done. Yay. Okay, so let's see. If map dot ooh, contains key diff. If it does, congratulations, we are done. So we need to fill the result. First index is going to be equal to, what do we got here? Diff. So we need map diff. We're going to pull that value out of there. And the other one is going to be, remember, we need the indices of all this. And then one is going to be just I, because we're already on the current I, which is the current index. So that's there. We're breaking out of this because we don't need to process anything else. Let's go down here past the 4 and go ahead and throw our result back. So we're going to return result. Remember, this is guaranteed to have a solution, so we don't have to worry about if, well, even if we did, our result would have two default zeros in there. Let's see here. So we need an else. Let's put an else in here. So we didn't find diff. Now we need to add this index. Let's see. But we don't want duplicate keys. We'll get an error. I got bit by that. So we need to look first. So if we're going to use the false here, we're looking for false on this. Map contains key. Now this time we're looking for nums I. Okay, so if it does not contain that, then we can go ahead and add this. So map dot add. All right, where's my shift button there? So we're going to add nums I as the key. and then the value is just I. All right, that's it. We are done on that. We're going to do a save even though it auto saves. Let's go ahead and submit this. Am I on the internet? Yeah. Okay. See what we get. What did we get? All right, we got 1 millisecond, beats 98.3%. All right, there you go. That is 2-sum in C#. And I'll see you on the next one.